Hello everyone, welcome to T-Scan World. Myself Tazeen Nanse. Our today's topic is bond order or a simple trick to find bond order. As we all know, the formula for bond order is bond order is equal to number of bonding molecular orbitals minus number of antibonding molecular orbitals divided by 2. This is the simple formula to find the bond order. And for that, the filling of electrons in different energy levels have been given by these two different sequences. First, when Z or atomic number is less than 14, that is up to N2. Sigma 1s, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi to px, pi to py, and sigma to pz, pi star to px, pi star to py, or sigma star to pz. Then when z is greater than equal to 14, that is beyond N2, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma to pz, pi to px equal to pi to py, pi star to px equal to pi star to py, and sigma star to pz. And the simple formula is bond order is equal to number of bonding molecular orbitals minus number of anti-bonding molecular orbitals divided by 2. Say for example, if you want to find the bond order of CO, here carbon, atomic number is 6 plus oxygen, atomic number is 8, equal to how much? 14. So for this, we have to go through the first sequence, that is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then pi to p x2 equal to pi to p y2, and sigma to p z2. Now our formula is bond order is equal to Nb minus Na divided by 2, which is equal to Nb. Number of bonding orbitals, how much number of bonding orbitals are there? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Minus anti-bonding orbitals 2 plus 2, 4 divided by 2, that is 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. So the bond order for CO is equal to how much? 3. Now there is a simple trick from that trick we can easily find the bond order for atomic number from 8 to 20. Now we will see the trick. First write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. For 8, write 0.0. For atomic number 9, 0.5. 5. These are all bond orders. Zero point 0, 0.5 for 9, and for 10, right, 1. For 11, 1.5. For 12, 2.0. For 13, 2.5. For 14, the bond order is 3. For 15, again it is 2.5. For 16, it is 2.0. For 17, it is 1.5. For 18, it is 1. For 19, 0.5, and for 20, the bond order is 0.0. So, see, from 8 to 20. For 8, 0.0. From here, we will have to go in increasing order from 0 to 3. And from 14 to 20, we will have to go through decreasing order from 3 to 0. So, for example, if we want to find bond order of O2 plus. O2 plus means for O, 8 plus 8 minus 12, that is equal to 15. Now, from this figure for 15, the bond order is how much? 2.5. And we can easily write the bond order for O2 plus, which is equal to how much? 2.5. Again for CN. For CN, carbon 6 plus 7 equal to how much? 13. And for 13, the bond order is how much? 2.5. One more thing, that bond order is directly proportional to binding energy, or bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. That is, when bond order increase, the bond length gets decreased, or when bond order gets increased, the bond energy or binding energy also gets increased. So this is a simple trick to find the bond order of any molecule in between from atomic number 8 to 20. I hope you all understand this topic. If you like this topic, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.